Good afternoon. It's an absolutely lovely afternoon again today. It's actually been chucking it down all morning and now like the sun's shining. I'm taking a risk of only bringing my thin waterproof out, so I hope it'll be alright. We're off to Tommy's college to drop his work off and pick up his COVID test, but we've had some good news, so we're celebrating with a dinner from a local small business.
Yes, and then on the way back we might go to the co-op.
Obsessed. I ran back and got my coat. It's colder than we thought. Where am I going? You're like, oh, sunset. Hidden Park. Let me do. Let's go straight. Look.